So the seatbelt on the Hyundai Santa Fe, you can see it's got a bad fray on there, which is a failure for your warrant, so we need to get it fixed. As you see, reason for rejection for a seatbelt is fraying to the web, which it has. A new one from Hyundai is going to be $756, which is too much for me. There are companies with exemptions to re-web seatbelts. We got one here in Christchurch, and a re-web belt, $225. Not too bad. So I dropped it off at 5 to 10, went for a run. Quite a steep run, you can hear me puffing. And they rang me at 11 to 12 to say it was done. Less than 2 hours. Awesome. So here's our newly re-web belt. You can see it's nice and shiny with new belt. And looks nice. And it's even got the exemption tag on it with all the details of when and who and whatever did it. So this is me putting the seatbelt back in, get it out, it's just pull off some plastic trim, undo a few bolts. So we've got it kind of bolted in at the bottom, secured at the top, almost ready to go. Then we've got to get the electrical connector, which was the hardest part of the whole job, getting that epoxy weed connector out. Got to lever out that red tab, which was quite hard to do. Then we've got to plug in the end of the belt using this funny quick release system that Hyundai uses. Covered in here, nice clean car. Satisfying click, that's not going anywhere. Look at that, looks great. So does the seatbelt. Yeah. Clunk click, perfect. Alright, reconnect the battery because you don't want to be messing with your pre-tensioners and bits and pieces, setting off airbag lights, and let's make sure it works. Alright, no airbag lights, seatbelt lights on because we don't have the seatbelt on. Let's put it on. Oh, I feel so smooth. Job done. Seatbelt works perfectly. Whee!